In this video, I'm going to show you something a little different. We're actually going to call a string method, but what this method will do is concatenate together all of these strings in a list. So I'm going to show you how to create a single string from a list. So to do this, you need to have a list of strings. You have to start out with that. So that's the first thing. So here we have multiple strings. You can read it sort of as one string, but really it is a list of strings, and that's why I call the variable list of strings. Now, there is a string method that can be used in order to join all of these words together, all of these items in the list, into a single string. So I'm going to create a variable called sep for like separator and have it assigned to the string of an empty space. So here we assign it to an empty space string. And now this is a string, sep is a string. When I press tab, I get all of these string methods. And if you go down to join, what you can do here is you can pass it in a list of strings like this, and it will join all of these items together by this separator. So whatever this you give it. So here it will just put a space in between each one of these items and then make one big string out of it. So that's pretty cool. Let's do sep2 and make something else. It doesn't have to be a single character. We can have something weird like this. So make the separator 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. And now I'm going to do sep2 dot join list of strings. And if I execute this, you can see that wherever there was a new item, it just placed the separator in between there. So that's how you can, if you have a list of strings, you can concatenate them all together, separating them by however you want, like this. So that's a neat little trick using the join string method.